Hey y'all, what's up? So I just wanted to give a quick update on week 14. So it's week 14. I haven't felt any symptoms. It's been a phenomenal past couple of weeks. You know, I shared the news with my family, which that video is posted. We went to Miami. I actually didn't get content the week of 13, so I'm just gonna post a picture of slideshows, which you'll see. And then this week I did my first workout, my first pregnancy workout, which you will see also. It's attached. And my goal is to start working out regularly because I haven't been working out at all. I was feeling nauseous, and then I just was on vacation, and I finally have my energy. What they say is true. The first trimester, it was tough. But this second trimester, I have a lot more energy. I'm eating whole foods. Um, I definitely crave meat a lot more. Before this, I was a pesca vegan or vegetarian. Basically, I was like 90% vegan, and then I ate fish. But now I'm just like, whatever, I'm pregnant. I'm still eating healthy and mindfully, but I am eating meat. Other than that, you know, I feel great. Aaron's excited. Christian's excited. My family's excited. We finally shared the news on social media, so everybody knows now. Hence you're watching this video, because otherwise it would still be on private. So not much is going on this week. I'm looking forward to, I'm showing more. So here's an image right here of my belly. Sometimes it's a little smaller, but it's definitely showing. I can't feel anything yet, but I'm so looking forward to it. Just knowing he's in there, he's growing, he's healthy, and that's the ultimate goal. So if you have any questions, let me know. But right now, that's all the updates I have for week 14. He is the size of a lemon, but I'm pretty sure he's larger than that because every time I go into the doctor, he was like a week ahead. So we'll know in our next ultrasound, which we plan to get the week of the 23rd, because our mothers will be here. So we want our mothers to be there in the ultrasound. So stay tuned for future updates, and I hope you guys are all amazing, staying blessed. And if you're pregnant, I hope that you're having an awesome, amazing pregnancy too. Talk soon.